Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday, when 27th of May 2025, where we met again at the car park opposite the Royal George pub on Manchester Road Greenfield. Ken, Paul and Mike worked from Calf Lane to Old Kiln Lane Groton, finishing at Lanehead Farm. Kevin worked from Quick along and down Back Lane. Watt continued working on the Oldham Way. After wrecking, we installed 3 new posts, reinstalled an existing signpost, removed old waymarkers off existing posts and fixed new waymarkers. 4 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Kevin and Mike. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.